What's up guys, it's EXG TV here, and for my first prank of the channel, we're going to be sneezing people. Let's see how that goes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my God!
I'm sorry, man.
You sneezed all over me. Oh
I'm so sorry.
God.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. I'm pretty sure.
No.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You been to Africa or anything like
No,
that?
no, ma'am. I haven't.
Oh, you don't know him?
No, I don't have Ebola.
Oh, really? You just really don't know?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Stay right here. Hold on. Justin, you caught me? I have this boy right here who's going around the customer and spraying something on my cup right here in my area.
I'm sorry. It's a prank for YouTube. It's just water. It's for my YouTube video. I'm sorry if you want. I don't.
Idea, but,
I can take your video out. I'm sorry. It was just water.
Oh my God. So you doing a prank?
Yeah, for my YouTube channel.
Oh my God. You gonna have me on YouTube, huh? This guy here is going around and spraying everybody. With what?
Water.
What?
For my YouTube video, it's a prank.
So you can't record it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I mean, no disrespect. It was just water.
I'll trespass you.
All right. Thank you.
No,